In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove quotes in MetaTrader 5. If your market watch window is full of symbols you don't use, it can feel cluttered and distracting. Removing unnecessary quotes helps you focus only on the instruments you actually trade, and it can also make the platform feel a bit more responsive and easier to navigate. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to clean up your list of symbols by hiding or deleting them from view. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that the market watch window is visible. If you don't see it on your screen, you can usually open it by going to the View menu at the top and selecting Market Watch. This is the panel that shows the list of all your symbols and their live quotes. Once you're looking at the Market Watch window, take a moment to scan through the list and decide which symbol you want to remove. This might be a currency pair, an index, a commodity, or any other instrument that you don't plan to trade right now and don't need to see all the time. Now, move your mouse over that symbol in the list. You don't need to click it yet. Just make sure your cursor is directly on the symbol you want to remove. When you're ready, right-click on that symbol. This will open a context menu with several options related to that instrument. In this menu, look for the option that says either hide or delete, depending on how your version of MetaTrader 5 labels it. Click on Hide if you simply want to remove the quote from the visible list, while still keeping the symbol available in the background. Click on Delete if the platform presents that option and you want to remove it from your list of displayed symbols entirely. As soon as you click Hide or Delete, you'll notice that the symbol disappears from the Market Watch window. Don't worry, this action only affects what you see in your quotes list. It doesn't close any open trades and it doesn't remove the instrument from the broker's server. If you ever need the symbol again, you can always bring it back later by reopening the symbols list and enabling it. Repeat this same process for any other symbols you want to remove. By carefully selecting, right-clicking, and choosing Hide or Delete, you will quickly streamline your MetaTrader 5 workspace and make your quotes list much easier to manage.